Pinkfong. Hi, hi. Hi, hi. Subscribe.
Pinkfong Storytime Theater. The Missing Garbage Truck.
To the rescue! The brave super rescue team. Move out anytime, anywhere. Brave and fast at any time. Now call them loud.
The Super Rescue Team!
To the rescue! Yeah!
Call when you need any help.
Police car!
Call when a fire breaks out.
Fire truck!
Call for the hospital.
Ambulance!
Flies high in the sky.
Helicopter! The brave super rescue team saves the day! Super duper super power up! When we are all together, everything's possible! 1, 2, 3! The brave super rescue team to the rescue!
Today's mission complete.
Great! But look at all this garbage!
Where did Garbage Truck go? Why is it so messy? He always made sure our town was clean.
Let's clean this up now. We're the Super Rescue Team who help protect our town.
Nah, we should look for garbage truck. Should we ask Train?
We should clean it up.
Let's go to Train.
What is your choice?
Let's go to Train.
Hi, Train.
Hi, Super Rescue Team.
Have you seen Garbage Truck today?
Yeah, I saw him. Get on. I'll take you to him.
All aboard!
Chugga chugga choo choo train, chugga chugga choo choo train, rolling down all the way, anytime, anywhere. La 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 la. Would you like to join us? La 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 la. Let's go together up the hill to the sea, across the river. La 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 la. Chugga chugga choo choo train, chugga chugga choo choo train, rolling down all the way, anytime, anywhere. Let's all ride this train together. Hey, have some fun, have some fun. Let's all shout and sing together. Chugga chugga choo choo, chugga chugga choo choo, chugga chugga choo choo train, chugga chugga choo choo train, rolling down all the way, anytime, anywhere. Yeah!
Choo-choo! It feels like I'm going on a fun trip.
Huh? Our friends are gathered over there. Garbage truck might be there too. Let's get off here.
I don't think he'll be there. Let's go to a different village.
Let's get off and look for garbage truck.
Let's go to the village Train told us about.
What is your choice?
Let's go to the village Train told us about.
I thought he got off here. Okay. Bye, friends.
Bye, Train. Thank you.
Where are we? I think we came really far.
I don't see the garbage truck anywhere. Let's just go back.
There are buses over there.
Let's take a bus back.
Let's take the pink bus.
No, let's take the red bus. Let's ride the red bus.
Let's ride the pink bus. What is your choice?
Let's ride the red bus.
Let's go! Toot toot tat tat tour bus goes around and round the world. Toot toot tat tat tour bus sing la 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 all day long. Let's go through the whole world together with the tour bus. Toot toot left, toot toot right, toot toot up, toot toot down.
and sea.
Toot toot left, toot toot right.
Ice and desert. Oops! Run away! Ah!
Toot toot tat tat tour bus goes around and round the world. Toot toot tat tat tour bus, sing la 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 la. Everybody! Toot toot tat tat tour bus goes around and round the world. Toot toot tat tat tour bus, sing la 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 all day long. Toot tat tat tour bus.
This is so fun!
It's fun, but where are we? Do you think we will ever find Garbage Truck?
I'm not sure.
If you chose differently, what would have happened?
Hey guys! Did you like our video? Don't forget to click subscribe! Search for Pinkfong on YouTube.